Okay, happy Saturday to all my Chic babes and all of my Chic fur babies. So we are doing a what? Chic babes and fur baby boutique unboxing. And as you can see, I am wearing my what? Chic babes oval necklace. So yes, stop by the Chic babes and fur baby boutique.myshopify.com and pick up yourself a nice Chic babes necklace. Pick up something for your Chic fur baby. Pick up something for yourself. And yes, men, we got you covered as well. We have our men's collection called Suave. We also have collections for babies, toddlers. We have travel. We have technology. We have home decor. We have everything. Okay, so we are going to do a Chic babes and fur baby boutique unboxing, and I am so excited. So everyone knows, if you watch my previous video, and I just love my Chic babes weekender. If you all haven't purchased that, you need to go and get it. It is perfect for the summer. It is perfect for traveling. Yes, that weekender is huge. It is never full. Okay, it is never full. It is just as big as the never full or bigger. Yes, and you will love it. High quality, high quality. Okay, so what we're going to be unboxing is going to match perfectly with our weekender. And I also have the Chic babes pouch. Okay, so you get the whole set. You get the weekender, the pouch, and next you get the what? Let's see what we have here. Chic babes credit card holder and keychain. Yes, I love it. I hope I'm holding it right so it won't be upside down. Do I got it right, y'all? Okay. Yes, so you go 3 credit cards, put your keys, and then you can put your dollar bills in here. Yes, I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. So I have, and plus, I am wearing my Chic babes oval necklace. Everything matches so perfectly. I am so excited. This just came today. This came today in the mail. I had been waiting on it. And Printify prints and ships all of the products on my store, on my Shopify store. Yes, I have Shopify. So a part of my team is Shopify and Printify. Yes, yes. And those of you that has a business or want to start a business, use my referral link. It is https://try.printify.com/V2, and then we have GYB4MUVGO1. That's the referral link, okay? And you will be happy that you did join Printify, because what Printify does is you don't have to worry about finding vendors for your product. Whatever product you want to sell, Printify has it. So all you have to do is search for the product that you're interested in selling to your customers, put your design on it. Printify will print the design and ship the order directly to your customers, which is very helpful. It takes a lot of work from us business owners, because we are busy advertising, marketing, designing. Okay, so I am very happy to have and thank the Most High for having Printify as a part of our team. Yes. Okay, so thank y'all for watching our Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique video, and we will have many more to come. Yes, I will always be the #1 supporter of my brand, our brand, Miss Coco. I'm Chic Babes, she's Chic Furbabies. Yes. So, look forward to a lot of our unboxing videos. There's a lot of items. I love our entire collection, okay? And men, y'all love to shop, so y'all go check it out. Go check it out. We have something for everyone. Did I mention travel? We have 2 collections of travel. We have the Chic Babes travel, and then we have the Suave travel. That's for men. Yes. Yes. We have suitcases for men, suitcases for the women. Yes. Okay, so thanks for watching. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos. And also check out my shorts. I do a lot of shorts because I'm on multiple platforms, and I'm busy on my Shopify store. So a lot of times I am doing a lot of shorts. The majority of the time that I be doing long videos is when I'm doing an unboxing video or a skincare routine video. Yes. And we also have skincare products. So yes, I will be doing some skincare routine videos with my skincare line. Yes. So excited about that. Bye, Chic Babes and Chic Furbabies, and happy Saturday and Shabbat Shalom.